I'm going to be showing you how to get the ball out of a slime liquor. And all you're going to want to do is, all you need is a knife. If you're under the age of 13, I'd say ask an adult for help, or at least just ask if you can use it. And all you're going to need to do is stick it in the side. Just that got all over my bed, which, that's nice. Now I need to wash my sheets. But you just need to stick it in the side, and then it just kind of comes out. You gotta push the knife stick it in the side and then push it so that the ball pops out like that just did. And you might not want to do it all over your bed because it will get all over your bed. That's just great. And you can fill it with whatever you personally want. I don't know what I'm gonna fill it with. Choking hazard. First, I'm going to wash it out because, yeah. Let's just wash this. I'm just washing it out with water. Okay. And I'm also gonna wash this little ball. Okay. I washed both of them. Okay, it's fine. So both are washed. I'm gonna just put that there. Wait, oh my god, why is this open? This is a mess in there. That's definitely the messiest part of my house by far. I don't know what I'm gonna throw. I'm just trying not to show the inside of the fridge. It's so clean. It's organized, but I hate showing the inside of my fridge. Oh, I hate the top of my fridge. It's so unorganized.
What?
Shh. Sorry, my mom just said something. No, my little sister's going in my room. I'm filling it with Coke. Filled a little bit too much. My tongue is blue because I was eating the slime liquor. I have to go and wash my sheets. Bye. Have a good day, and don't open it over your bed. Open it over tile.